Hello guys, this is Low Sugar Daddy, and I'm gonna cook low carb and keto friendly delicious tom yum. Let's have a look at my ingredients today. First step, I will cook a delicious broth based on this head from salmon I bought in Morrison's. You can put chicken instead to get chicken broth, or put nothing, also fine. Also, I'm gonna add this coconut milk, and you can watch my other video to know how to chew this properly. Along with that, I will put this ginger and some chili peppers. As my second step, I will put this fish pie mix. There are 3 different kinds of fish, like haddock, cod and salmon. Along with that, I will put the skinned prawns, bought in Tesco. In my third step, I will add these mushrooms and, of course, tomatoes. I will put all this package. Finally, I will put this tom yum paste, kind of main ingredient. I bought this on Amazon.